Yeah, we're going to sign up for an account and set up social web on UpCloud. So I'm going to click sign up. I'm going to go to upcloud.com and put in an email address. Actually, let's see, do we have a promo code? Let's try UpCloud 500. Okay, so that's how you sign up with the promo code, and see if we get an email here. There we go. Click this link. Okay, got logged in, and now I got signed up, and now I'm logged in. Oh, so go ahead and we'll need to verify to get a payment method on here. Put in a card here.
Once again, your code is 117,214. Goodbye. Hello.
Okay. Verify payment method. Good deal. Remaining trial 30 days. Okay, now we're going to deploy a server. I'm going to click deploy now, and I'm going to click server. And oops. Then I'm going to I can choose San Jose down here or New York. I'm going to choose this one core server, $350 a month. And then I'm going to change this version to 22. And finally, what we need to do here is we need to add an SSH key. Official PuTTY SSH site. And this Google AI summary is correct. I can tell because it goes to org.uk. It's this one that says green end right here. So I'm going to click on this green end. And then up here at the top it says download it here. So I'm going to click on that. And then this first link at the top here, 64-bit Windows installer. I'm going to click on that one. And then go find it in my downloads. And let's double click to install that. Okay. Now once that's installed, it's going to open up a README. I'm just going to close that, and okay. So once that's installed, I'm going to go to my start menu. I'm going to search for PuTTY. And the first thing I want is PuTTY-Gen. So I'm going to click on PuTTY-Gen right here at the top. And I'm going to generate a key. And the way I do that is I go to the bottom and I set my key number of bits. I'm going to change it from 2048 to 4096. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click this generate button. Now I have to move my mouse around. Okay, now I've generated a key, so I need to save it 2 times. I'm going to save the public key. I'm going to save it into my downloads folder, and I'm going to call it public key. Save. I'm going to click this save private key, and I'm going to save it without a passphrase. And I'm going to make sure I'm in my downloads folder, and then I'm going to call it private key. Okay, now lastly, I'm going to click here and see if I can copy this. Copy the key from here. That is the public key, so we're going to put that onto the server. So now I switch back to my browser, go to the UpCloud window, and I'm going to paste here in this new SSH key. Save it. Hit deploy. You're only going to have 1 key. I've got 3. Okay, now I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to make a new tab. I'm going to go to i-self.host, and I'm going to paste the IP address right there, and I'm going to put in a name like putty test, putty install, submit. And I can see down on the bottom it says my subdomain has been created, so that's what I'm looking for. And then I'm going to close that tab. I'm waiting for my server to be deployed, and while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to switch over here and I'm going to search for putty again. Now this time I don't want PuttyGen, I just want putty. You can see it right here at the top of the list. I'll click on that, and I'm going to, on this left side, I'm going to scroll down here and find SSH at the bottom right here. Click the little plus, and then I'm going to click this little plus next to auth, and then I'm going to click right here on credentials. And right here on this top button, I'm going to click browse and find my private key and click on it. And now I can scroll back up to the top here and click on session way up here at the top. And here I'm going to put my domain name, puttyinstall.i-self.host. Okay, now my server looks like it's ready because I can see here in the background it says server was deployed. So I'm going to click open, and I'm going to click accept. And I'm going to type ROOT, root, and hit return. And it worked with my key that I included. So now I'm ready to install this app. So in my Gmail, actually here in this notepad, I've got the command. I'm going to change this domain name here to puttyinstall.i-self.host. Putty install. And now I'm going to copy this command. I'm going to paste it in here. And the way you do that is you right click and then you hit enter. And when that's done, I'm going to run this second command. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Okay, I can tell that that is done. It says success, Docker is ready up there in the green. I'm going to right click, paste my next command. Or first I'm going to click and then right click, hit enter. And now I'm ready for my final command here. Copy it, and I'm going to click and then right click, hit enter. Okay, now I can see here my new link up right here. So I can just go to my browser and go to putty install.i-self.host and hit enter. And I can see the app is running. Thanks for watching my video.